Well, hello there, friends. Welcome to the Dextazlab Skrp Skrp tutorial. Now, I did a video the other day, and that video has gotten a lot of comments and views and such. I'm thankful for the shares and everything that it getting. But that video has taught me that a lot of you do not know how to script. A lot of the big old adult Jamaican don't know how to script. So it's like, you know what, Dex? You can't leave these people in the darkness. You have to bring them into the light, because a lot of you really want to learn how to script. I see the comments, man. Yes, man. So here's the script tutorial for those who would like to understand how to script. Now, firstly, I have a bat here. For those of you who don't know, this is what you call a bat. Some of you call it a pail. And it has some water in it. No, it's not a lot of water because you're not going to waste water around there. Now, secondly, we're going to grab the item that we're going to wash. Now, we have two shamai here, the same shamais that were in the video. There's another one here a little bit dirty than the other one. Now, we are going to allow these shamais to sit in the water a little bit. Now, these are not going to get the time to soak as I normally want to, or as though your foreparents would do it. They make it soak for a day. Now, secondly, you're going to grab your soap of choice. Now, I'm not advertising a soap. But anyway, you know the soap already. And you're going to throw in a little bit of soap. You don't need a lot in there. It's too shamai. Don't over soap the bath. Now, I remember the first time I learned how to script. Well, it was like a lifetime achievement award to make it, Because I'd always see my grandparents, I'd always see my mother and stuff washing, and me get the script. And the first time you wash your clothes, me never hear it. So me I wonder why I want me to do wrong. And are the clothes really clean? Now, let me just clarify. If the clothes don't script, the clothes probably dirty. If the clothes are script, it don't mean that the clothes are dirty. Okay? It can be script in, and you still have the one that is staying left in the clothes. It don't mean that the clothes are washed good, but it does something to the brain. You can't tell me nothing when you hear the clothes are script. And a lot of Jamaicans love to learn and want to understand how to do that. Now, if you're going to wash the clothes, you can't lock up your hand them, because a part of the technique, is that the water needs somewhere to fly out. It's going to fly through your so. So watch this now. Notice how the water fly through my hand there, so watch there. Watch there. Notice that? The water fly through right there, so if you lock up the hand them though, they ain't got nowhere to go. So don't lock up your hand them, don't lock them up. Watch here now. Look at magic, Me blow magic. The water have somewhere to go. And that's a technique that not look right. And that's how the technique comes from people. And when I go faster now, see it now? Watch there. Boy. Yeah, read him up. Now you know how to script. You are now out of the darkness and into the marvelous light of that beautiful sound. So now please pass it on to the next generation and keep it going. Alright? We now have a good day now.